Want to watch Xumo TV on your big screen using your iPhone? There are two main ways: AirPlay and casting. AirPlay lets you stream content wirelessly from your iPhone to an Apple TV. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi Fi network, then tap the AirPlay icon in the Xumo TV app and select your Apple TV. Casting uses Google Chromecast or a compatible smart TV. Just tap the Cast button in the Xumo TV app and choose your device. AirPlay is better if you have an Apple TV, while casting works with Chromecast-enabled devices. Both let you enjoy Xumo's free streaming on a larger display. To get started with the Xumo Remote app, download it from the App Store on your iPhone. Next, pair the app with your Xumo-compatible TV or set-top box using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This works with devices like Roku TVs or Comcast boxes requiring iOS 14 or later. The app provides touchscreen controls to change channels, adjust volume, and launch apps. It also supports voice search through Siri, including haptic feedback for a tactile experience. This makes controlling your Xumo TV easy and intuitive. This virtual remote is especially useful when your physical remote is missing. It enhances your Xumo TV experience with simple, wireless control.